people. Just stay on food dry, you know? Jesus Christ! I am eating. I did get photo water this weekend. So people, they don't know they're on the riverside, and today we're going to look about some boiled dumpling with some cornmeal and some saltfish rundown. It's like a replica of a saltfish rundown. So you don't know, we have a coconut milk, never have no coconut to grate or so. But we use the coconut powder, just as good. And we are going to put it down in some coconut milk and so forth. So you don't know, just a nice day in the riverside, countryside, and we don't have to take a swim. So we just have to get the pot ready and we're going to start up the fire. So right now just check in and watch what I got. So yes, I don't know. I'll start up a pot right now, so I'll just get some wood. It's kind of cool, but it can work in a way. So we just have to set up, we're going to look for some dumpling with some saltfish cooked down in a coconut milk. And we just have to match up that. So what I'm going to do now, try to get some wood. So let's go and check in on that. Some more and I watch this stuff at the same time. The water run even harder this time. The last time I come it did run more calm. It's like rain the fall, I think, in the week, so that's the effect of it. You don't know, so I find a level spot and I write out some other pictures, but I get so much. So just check in. Next time you see me, I'm going to start light the fire. So just check in. Yes, so I'm going to get the stone assembled for the pot. Get the stone and things. I'll get the stone back to get the stone way up here right now. I'm going to iron up. You need to that one, so I'm going to look at the next stone. So many stones don't know which one to choose. You call that blessing. You call that. Yeah. So one winter here, get the pot active with your wood. But you know, I get the wood fire active, you see. So bamboo stick. That's a bamboo stick. Getting some lumber. You don't know bamboo blaze fast. So you have that too. So we just have pot them up right now. Just have pot them. So start up the fire and see. Yeah. So we can get in lumber. You don't know if you secure out, you bram them. Because it will help to catch the fire fast. And ignite the bigger one then. So that's what I do. So next time you see fire will start up. So check in and just look how I go on. So people don't know when I get on with fire right now. So this is a technique we know for a very long time. We don't know, so you put the oil on tissue or napkin and you just ignite it. The thing with it now, it hold the flame more. So you give it time to burn the other things. So you just check in and look on there. So I'm getting some oil from. I want to catch a coal, you know. You notice that some people struggle with catching their coal fire. They can use the same technique and get the thing done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light it. Light it. So when you see the flame come up, it will come on the oil and blaze on the oil. See that? Light one next part and it make it burn slower. But if you just put the tissue in or the napkin in it, it will burn fast. So it never gives the thing then time to catch. So what me do now, I just take my time put some things around it. Make the fire breathe, you understand? Make the fire breathe. So you put some little bram. And the best bram, no make nobody tell you no, a bamboo. Because bamboo blaze quick. You see me? So you just put the bram on it. Yeah. And make it go and blaze up. You see me? So when the bram do now, I capture the fire and give it time to catch on for the other bigger lump body. Or bigger stick, bigger wood, whatever you want to call it. So, I just make sure some fire active from now and I get my pot wash out and things and get the fire and get the thing started. Yeah. So, you saw it as smoke, anyway smoke did it, the fire did it. So we just have to make it go and work in and blaze and thing. While I wash out my pot and get my flour knead up while I put on the water on the fire. So just make the fire go and activate. So go and stay tuned and watch how I go on. So yeah people, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash out my pot, so I'm going to get in some water. So the fire go on. Get in the water now for the dumpling. I'm going to tell you a secret. You really know about it already. Just if you want your pot boil fast, all you have to do, I get me some salt in the water. Because you don't know the boiling point I will reach even quicker. Because you don't know in a bio class in teacher that. So the water would have become impure. Impure water boil faster than pure water. So get me some salt, you know. What am I talking about? A saltfish where I look about. So when I forget salt, we just have to make the saltfish boil in the water. We don't need no salt. We don't want to look about saltfish and dumpling. Because you don't know say saltfish have its own natural salt on it. So just stay tuned. We just have to get the saltfish washed. Just stay tuned and watch how I go. So yeah, now we get the saltfish washed out now. Don't know river water, clean water, water ever running. So you wash it out, get it washed out, and the same salt after the saltfish, it will add salt to the dumpling. Trust me, too much salt no good and it's perfect. So I get the sausage wash off. So we're going to put it in the pot now. Where we're going to look for the dumpling. So get it in. See that? Then we can go and boil. So just stay tuned and watch out. The fire to get warm, because it is kind of dumb. So I'm just going to make it hot and just get warm so the fire can just continue to burn. So I don't know where it's at. I don't want a lame fire, I want the fire blaze. So just stay tuned and watch out for that. Yeah, people, so we have to kick up the fire. Turn it up, warm up everything. So you know, so you can blaze. Look at that, people. The fire active. Starfish the inside. So just stay tuned and just watch what I want. Yes, so I'm gonna get my flour kneaded up. While the starfish are going to soak and boil in the water, just I'm going to knead up my flour. So this is a pound of flour. The pound really couldn't do, no? Pound of flour. And I get some other one. No, so very versatile. Mine is the whole other one here, to be honest. So I don't want one whole heap of flour. So I just get me some. Mom. Can lift that lip here. Get me some calmie. So you know, say the calmie now, it helps you to guard bathroom easier. Them say when they eat the plain flour, you know, really good. So just to make the thing get easier, you know, go bathroom. Get that rough edge. That my banner here. So I not just put naked white flour. So see they calmie in it. Yeah. So now, I'm going to go maxi pan this. You might not see me put no salt in the flour. Normally I put the salt in the water itself. Because me believe when me cook flour, I don't need salt in the flour itself. Because too much salt no good. It's just right when you put the salt in the boiling water. Because you don't know, say, a heat are going to make the thing absorb, the flour going to absorb all of the flour. The salt are going to absorb in the flour. So you don't need to put it in the flour then in the pot. I don't do it that way. So I come have the saltfish, and that's the saltfish I put in the pot. And you know it are going to extract the salt out of the saltfish and I see one never go in the flour. So I'm not going to use no salt to it. So create a little miggle, put in some. I work in this. And it's always good when you left a little excess flour. So even if you feel like you spoil it, you have some flour to carry it yourself. So you just go in, you know, and mix it out. And you see like more water. I add more water. But for now, mix out the excessive liquid and try bind it together. But so use what we have, you see me? That's might not comfortable if you need it, but you don't know, say, I just the rough lifestyle. You know, watch that. So you go on, work it in. So they call me, give a nice color. So you call me, give a nice color. See, just I go and work in this until when I see me need more water. So the more you work it in and the more you see it come by, you add little water, little bit. You don't need enough else to go spoil it. You don't know it is. So I work it in. So I work it in. You see the excess from the pot, you can rub it off. You know the flour waste. You loose up everything before you throw in the water. Loose up everything. Loose it up. You don't know, so you go. So everything combine with water and put in. So it combine. So let's go see where this carry out. So go and work it in and see what it takes. You know me? So just watch how I go. Work it in. Because you don't know, say you know, put your flour in a cold pot. It will stick. You want your water boil. So you have to get on your pot. First, see the water. You see that? Not you have to add in no more water. Just right. So you work it in. You also have some cornmeal dumpling this, you see me? Cornmeal dumpling. So the cornmeal, me can eat raw flour. The cornmeal to me give it a nice texture. And it make you go bathroom easier. So I do so I think, say. Work it in till it's smooth. Yeah. Just work it in, is it? Work it in till it's smooth out until you're satisfied. Until you can't lift it up, so. You see me? I might not know people. That's school for cooking. You see me in a grade now, I do foods and nutrition in a CHC. Me and my brethren, I will get 2 in it. And we go straight to 6th form doing foods and nutrition. So I even know the theoretical part of it and the practical, like baking, cooking. You know, say cooking is new too, you see me? So, that's what I think so. So you smooth, that consistency you want. So what I'm going to do now, I put some little flour in the pot bottom and knead it and make them so it stick in the pot. I'm ready to put them in the pot. So stay tuned and watch how I go. Watch my fire. So it ablaze? Yeah. So you don't know, so it's active. So that way I work on now to get the flour inside. So watch how I go on and stay tuned. Flour. Pan base. Just a little. So when I'm ready to make them now, and when you're ready for pot, I can make them from now and rest them down. So when you put them loose flour here, it not stick. So it always loose. You get me I say? You can box out little. Yeah. I mean I go and make my flour them now. Watch. You see that? You just get a pinch. And work them. Everybody make them dumpling different, but that's how me make mine. Work them, work it. Then you see the little indent. You go so and press it in. See that? So me make my dumpling. And you always can fix it, circle it, and then put a little indent. See that? So me make my dumpling. River way there, you know, so you don't know anything. Do the same thing repeatedly. Roll, 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 roll. Little indent. And you put them on base. Simple one too. Nah. And everybody make them dumpling different. Some me deal with my own. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Indent. Press it. My mother watch how she make dumplings. My mother used to make dumplings so good. You know, God rest her soul. Don't know anything go. Indent. Press palm board. And never repeat this till everything done so we can add it to the fire. So check in and watch how I go on. So now I give the dumpling them now. Remember that tells you put the flour, so the dumpling will stick. So when you're ready for them, you can stick, you can just take it up easily and put them in your pot. See that? And you know the hot boiling water you want to put it. The water well hot, so you don't know. You get your fork, so you know what to stick. You do it on little rotation. You don't want to rotate it too rough. Remember, say they're not solid yet. Understand? So, that's what I want and stay tuned. So, I get out the saltfish them now. Because they're well boiled. Don't know. You want to see all the fall apart. What I'm going to do, now I get some cool water upon them, wash them off and pick them up. I don't know, cut up my seasoning upon them and make the dumpling and go and cook. You know your dumpling and cook when they start flow. I always try to rotate them because you don't want it to stick. You see what I say? And you know dumpling is a thing where you don't take long cook. So, river style cooking, you see me? Dumpling them. So see, sawfish, they soft, fork I go right through them. So what I'm going to do, pick them up and prepare my season pan and cut them up on them while the dumpling go and cook. And you know it's a fast motion with the pan. See sawfish them, so stay tuned when you see them, they're going to pick up and things are going to get cut up on them. So watch how I go. Getting some fresh water for me. So pick them up now. Don't know. So see it now. I forgot the knife in a can. So you know what I'm going to do? Use the back of this. I have a pocket knife, but I'm going to use that to clean up the thing. Can just use the back of this. So you don't know. Get out the bone them. You want to pick it up as good as possible. Take off the little black thing them off of them. All of them things here. Clean up and try to pick it up because you want it to be as boneless as possible. So you want it to be boneless as possible. So that's why you stay tuned and watch what I go on. When you dip on the last piece, you see what I go on. So yeah, just get it clean up same way. Just get it clean up. You want less bony part as possible. Get it clean up and thing. Pick off them part. And then stubborn white part here, try to get rid of them. pick off all of the little things. You know, want them something in the sauce. Pick off this. One side. Just want to get rid of all of the bony part. So yeah. I have to go through it one second time, you know. Separate them up and pick them up. So you want to use up as much of the sawfish as possible. Because you don't want nothing waste. Don't know a thing go. Don't want a thing waste. Because sawfish were expensive these days. So the survives with the pot. So yeah. So just stay tuned and watch how I go. Next time you see it, a season I cut up on it. The people, I don't know. I get the thing them peel off. The knife, when we bring, we got it in my car. Me now go back on the road. So I don't know. I just get the thing then cut up. Get the thing then cut up, you know. Get the thing then cut up and prep it up with the sausage. So that me I do right now. Dumpling soon don't cook. You know say pot so long. You know it's sausage cook already. I just season them, the raw season them. I go cook up. So I just cut them up, you know, take off all of the little thing them. Cut off all of the little here no you call it, but one can't stream by it. Take off the little thing them, the thing they win and the skin, if that is the right thing. And take off that stuff like tomato. Yeah. See much pepper I get in it, people. And it's supposed to hot, you know. But some of them now put the seed in it. Wash it off and thing. Throw off the water, yeah. Get on some new water. Yeah, smelly pepper, you know. See that? I'm going to cut them up on the sausage. So stay tuned and watch out for that. The sharp knife I left it in the car, I now go back right this right. So I just want to use my pocket knife right here now. Cut off that little thing and like how that look. I want to use that knife and cut up the thing. Kinda dull, but it will get the work. You see? Don't know. Just the humble lifestyle, you see it? So I'm going to do what I have to do and go through. Get it cut up. Cut up. Cut it up nice and thin. Get in the pepper. The green one them, I'm gonna make the seeds stay, you know. But boy, I don't trust the ripe one, you know. Don't trust it. If I say I trust it, I would be lying. Hot. Just I get off the skin off of them one now. I smell. Smell ready, you know. Jesus Christ. That's the skin I get off. Don't trust it. That's some garlic. I'm gonna die so. Don't know a thing, bro. Yes, so see sawfish now. So I go and go through. Remember I tell you we are go through it one second time. get rid of them fine bone there. Them fine bone at the top of your throat, you know. And them are the deadly one, you see it? So, I go and pick it up fast. You know, so the dumpling supposed to finish. So I go and pick it up. Go through it a second time. Separate it up. Me, you know, I fry up everything one time. It don't really matter. Fry it up one time, you just want to see a pot have enough oil so nothing no stick, nothing no stick. So I just shred them off. Cook it down in some chiffon butter. We don't use the oil. Cook it down in some chiffon butter. So just stay tuned and watch what I go. And next thing you see it, I will get deep on the stove. Right, so I get off the dumpling pattern now. See that? The only disadvantage you see when you use scope fire mash up your pot, you have to spoil it like hell to get them back. So what I'm going to do now, try hit me that I use as a cover for the dumpling pot. I rinse it out and get it on with some chiffon butter. And ketchup back the fire. So just stay tuned and watch how go. Next thing you see it upon the stove, the frying pot up. I get in the frying pot now for the saltfish to cook it up and make it cook in some coconut juice. That's what I go. So before we even get it on, you have fun. I'm going to start up the fire. I'm going to time to cook. See that? Funny gentle with power. Yes, funny gentle, but you make it have a little power with the fan. You see me, you do it restaurant, you take your time. You see that? Yeah. Then I'm going to make it go and dry out. You're not every way they dry because chiffon and oil are fat. Chiffon is more of a fat. I love use the cook down saltfish because I give it a vibe. You see me? I like use it because I give a vibe. So just watch what I go on. And just see. Oh, it is. You see there? Chiffon, not a sponsored video. I never get in my pot right now. With the spoon. You see that? Chiffon give them thing a nice little flavor. So quick it out, go to work. So you just put it in and make it go and cook down with the chiffon. So what I'm going to do now, I'll get the thing them, get in the seasoning. Not even wait. Make it go on. When the chiffon start melt, you're going to hear it start fry. It's all fry already. I don't know if you can hear it, but you see here it start thick up. So you want to cook down good, you know, so you give it time to get soft. You want little seasoning where you put in to get soft. And break down so you can just eat everything. And the pepper then will cook out and things. See different regular colors, just like 876 African Roots. Please remember to like, subscribe, share. Turn on the post notification that are the bell so you know so when a video drop when you can get the notification say yeah me drop. Thanks for your support and everything. and just watch what I go on. See the reggae colors you have your red, your yellow, your green. Yeah man. Nice reggae colors, African colors, you see me? So we'll just make it go on until the pot start kick up and it start fry up. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Yes, so you see? Start fry people, when you can hear that? Alright. So that one. Want to fry up and cook down as best as possible because I want to eat everything with the garlic and cook and everything. So that way I try to achieve. So you just make it stay, you go and use your spoon or your fork and help with the process. You just mix it around, bring where they are bottom on top, and just make it go and cook. And then when we are going to do now, add in a little touch of Maggi fish season, and then we just mix up the coconut powder, pour it in and make it cook down in some coconut juice. When I eat that, because you don't know, say saltfish have a nice salty flavor already. So you don't really need nothing extra on it. You see how that can go on? So just stay tuned and watch out. So yes people, I get in the Maggi fish season upon it, no need enough, because you know say this have it one salt in it too. So that's a touch, that's it. Then we get this and rotate it. Yeah, because you don't need enough of no Maggi, because saltfish don't have a natural salt flavor in it already. And the Maggi have salt. So you just want to do it and take everything. So it look now like it cook that you want. Before you add in the coconut milk. See that? So what I'm going to do now, I get the coconut milk mixed up. See, if you don't have the natural coconut, won't have it work with what you have, you know, where you can get it. So at the moment, this me can get, so it me I go use. Just I go bust it open now. Oh, bust it open and put it in and get some water upon it and mix it out and throw it in the pan. And then make that cook down with the saltfish and the season, natural season. Yeah. So just stay tuned and watch what I do. See it last time. Yeah, so me I do now and mix out the coconut milk. Mix it out and put some of it in the pot. I don't need all of this because I don't want a long water. I want it thick and full and you know have that nice creamy flavor. So watch what I go now. I put it in the pot right now. So it has seasoned. Okay. So it has seasoned nice. I like it more stick. And that you want. I give it a nice flavor, a nice smoky flavor that you want. You saw that look? Add in some of coconut milk now. You know what? All right tonight, you know, people. You want just a little to cook down. Set my pot good, because if it's turn over, you know, man, I ball me a ball, you know. Yeah. You see? Saltfish run down. And that we are made right now, you know. Yeah, so I get a nice little texture. That this amount is good. You don't need no long water. Long water thing not going. So you see it now. What me I going to do now? I fan up the fire. Take the fire, kick up back, and make it boil down. And when it start get thick, so it all get thick already, I time to take it off. Here give it a little taste. Nice and creamy. Just stay tuned and watch what Yeah, people, you see that? They go and cook down and thing. Sawfish in a coconut juice. So you can say it's a little sawfish rondo. So yeah, people, see that? Sawfish in some coconut juice, some sawfish rundown with dumpling. So next time you see this, I share out, I share out. Stay tuned and watch out. People, get active now. Get active now. Share out. Call me a dumpling. You see me? Them a plate where they make good, you know, yeah? Call me a dumpling. See people say look creamy. That's how we are go for. That's the way we are go for. Yeah, those if we are getting some panic right now. Ooh, hot. Ooh, shit. I have to double up the plate. See that? Right, so we are getting this now. Somebody will get this little pepper in a people. Tell me, people love pepper in the man people. I mean know they name pepper. Anyways, see it there? Yes, you don't know. Food, you know, boat land. So me I go check in right now. Let's go and watch how I go on. I'm scared. Next day see me I get in the night. So yeah people, food land, you know. So what I go do now? I share the juice. Yeah, I share the juice like that. That's some nice green juice. Some green natural juice. That's the way them say. I need to check it out. Yeah. So that's what I go on. And still. So yeah people, I have my natural juice and my sawfish in a coconut juice rundown. And I go sample it right now. Me cook it so I don't do that taste pot. And I know say it thing active, well nice. Watch it. Very creamy. My God. What's up? You sit here, smell it and taste it. People, let's stay tuned. And for more content like this, just like, share, subscribe. And thanks for all the support and love. That's it. Nice. Call me dumpling and some sawfish rundown, coconut milk. Nice vibe. So stay tuned and watch your go on. Until next time, watch your river. Big up people. Next time. Just stay food dry, you know? Jesus Christ! I am eating. I did just want to work in this weekend.